What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning to everyone watching me right now, because right here in Nigeria it is morning. How are you all doing? How is everything going on with you? I hope all is well. Well, guys, if today is the first time you are seeing my face, or if today is the first time you are coming across my channel, I want you to consider subscribing. Click on that red button that says subscribe. It is absolutely free of charge. Here in this channel, I do a lot of health talk, a lot of wellness talk, a lot of home remedy and home remedy tips for you guys to stay healthy. So hit that red button that says subscribe if today is the first time you are coming across my channel. Yes, guys, in today's video I'll be talking about how you can achieve a bigger, stronger, fertile middle leg, which I call joystick for the sake of this video. So I'll be telling you how you can achieve it, how you can prepare it. It is a natural remedy. It has no side effects. In fact, when you use it, you will come back to the comment section, comments after using this natural remedy. So the aim of this video is to help you get that strong, bigger, fertile middle leg that you've always desired. So when you are with your wife, your woman in the room, in fact, after using this remedy, your action will go to the next level. And if you are a woman watching this video, please, I want you, if your husband is not performing well, I want you to also try this remedy for him. Buy it, prepare it, and give it to him to drink. I will not advise you to cheat on him. I will not advise you to follow other men, because there is no problem that does not have solution. So if you are a woman watching this video, I would like you to prepare this remedy and give it to your husband or your partner to take. It will help him to perform very well when both of you are together. It will also boost his sperm count. It will also help him to achieve that, that action which you've always wanted. So if you're a woman watching this video, you can prepare this remedy I'll be sharing in this video. You can prepare it and give it to your husband to take. It is absolutely natural. It has no side effects at all in it. And it is very, very cheap and effective. So, and if you're a man watching it, you can prepare it yourself. You can buy it. So guys, what will do this magic in your body is no other remedy than bitter kola, which is right here. I bought this in the Nigerian market for 100 naira. So, but for this video, we'll be using only 2. So we are using only 2 for this video. For this remedy that I will be teaching you, we are using only 2 pieces of bitter kola for it. So what you need to do is to peel the bitter kola with a knife. You can also use your hand to peel it. Peel it with a knife or your hand. This remedy is very, very effective. It will boost your fertility as a man. It will boost your sperm. It will make your middle leg to be stronger, bigger. So when you and your partner is performing the action, in fact, you will see changes. It will move you to the next level. So this is it. You peel it like this. In case you are not in Nigeria, you can also get this bitter kola in an African shop. In any country you are, it is called bitter kola. You can get it there. So guys, when you are done peeling it, you take a grater and start grating it. And if you have a blender, remember you are using only 2 pieces of bitter kola. So you take a grater and grate it. And if you have a blender, you can also blend it. This is the second one. You grate it with a grater or you blend it in a blender. So this is it, guys. When you are done grating it, you put it inside a cup. You guys can see it. Then you add warm or hot water to it. I'm using a warm water, either warm or, but not too hot too. You add warm water or hot water to it, and you keep it aside for 5 minutes. You keep it aside for 5 minutes. Then another natural remedy that you'll be using is lemon. It is very, very cheap and affordable. I got this one for 100 naira in Nigeria. You can also get it in any African shop in any country you are. This is lemon. In case you can't find lemon where you live, you can make use of lime. It will also perform the same work. So you cut the lemon into 2. Cut it into 2. Then after 5 minutes, you squeeze this lemon. You squeeze it into the bitter kola water. So this is it, guys. This is what we perform the magic. The first day of using this remedy, this bitter kola water and lemon, you take it in morning and night. The first day you are going to use it for 7 days, but the first day you have to drink it morning and night. Then the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh day you take it once daily. But that first day, make sure you use it morning and night. It's very effective, it's very powerful, it works like magic. A lot of men have testified from this natural remedy. It is natural, it has no side effects. It will help to boost your joystick. It will make you to perform well with your partner. It will make your joystick to be bigger, stronger. So you take it first day, morning and night. Then the second to the seventh day, you take it once daily. This is it, guys, once daily. So guys, that is it, guys. If you're a woman watching this video, please don't cheat on your husband though. Just buy this bitter kola and prepare it the way I prepared it and give it to your husband to take. And if you're a man watching this video, you can get that bitter kola in the market, in any African market, in any African store. So that is what is going to perform the magic, because a lot of men have used it and testified of the effectiveness. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching me. Today is the first time you are watching me and seeing my face. It is absolutely free of charge. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.